Alright guys, day one of my back to keto 100%. Thank you for clicking on this video, guys. It really does mean a lot to me. I want to show you one thing, okay? That music is pretty awesome. You have to admit, guys, if you're into that kind of music, let me know down in the comments. I really love that kind of music. Anyway, this is not about music, so let me turn this off before I get copyright strike. And one thing I do want to say real quick, I have a hard time giving up some things. One thing is going to be Diet Dr. Pepper. That is one of my most favorite drinks ever known to man. Now, I've got to wean myself off that. Only because I really love the taste of it, and until I can go to the store and get me some Zevias, this is what I'm gonna have to stick with. And then finally, I'll be off all soda altogether. I did the last time. I felt a lot better, but you know, it's kind of like a drug. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna get me a nice 20-ounce cold Diet Dr. Pepper and enjoy it. Tonight's meal is it's actually gonna be my breakfast, but it's gonna be my dinner, if that makes any sense. So I'm on night shift, so it's gonna be a ribeye steak. I'm gonna try to only eat 6 ounces, which is pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off and measure it, show you guys. And as far as the vegetable goes, there'll probably just be some broccoli and a lot of Kerrygold butter. So all right, without further ado, let me go in here and get this soda, get it washed down, and go home and fire up the grill and cook out some steaks, guys. Can't wait. All right, as you can see, it's 4 ounces ribeye, baby. All right, this is what I'm having: broccoli and a big 14 grams of Kerrygold, which is right here, obviously, and a little 4-ounce steak. So I'm gonna go ahead and wolf this down because I am very hungry. Carbs are calling my name, and I'm not eating no carbs, so I'm pretty hungry. Ken, are you ready? Alright, so I'm able to get through this. I'm going to have to use some fat bombs. I'm going to show you what I'm making here, okay? This is just peanut butter chocolate fat bombs, okay? Pretty cut and dry. I got just a little cute little silicone mold that I'm going to use, and it's about 25 degrees outside, so I don't have to put it in the freezer, thank God. But you want to make sure that you be careful with it, because if not, you know, when you move it, it'll spill out and run. And believe me, I've had it 1,000 times do it. So what I did right here is I measured 70 grams of Kerrygold butter, and I'm going to use 8 tablespoons of this coconut oil. So I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, there is my 8 tablespoons of this, and to this we're going to add some peanut butter, and this is the one I'm using. It only has peanuts and salt, and that's it. This is the kind you want, okay? It does have some carbs, obviously, but you know, it is what it is. To get through this, I'm going to have to do this temporarily until I get a little better situated with the keto again. And so I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to put it in the microwave, melt it all together really good, and then show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, so with all of it melted, that's what it looks like. It looks like kind of not good. But to that, we're going to add some cocoa, special dark. Oh, it's brand new. Hey? All right, so I put the cocoa powder in there. It's 4 tablespoons, and some just ground cinnamon. It says Ceylon cinnamon, but I don't have any of that, and it's pretty expensive. I'm just gonna do this to what I think is right, because I do like cinnamon. And then it says stevia to taste, and this is what I like. Now, as far as you're just gonna have to play with this. That's 3 squirts, little squirts. So we're gonna see how that tastes, and I'll let you know. Now, if you don't put the sweetener in there, that cocoa powder is pretty terrible, and it's pretty bland. It'll make your mouth pucker quick. So I'm gonna taste this and let you know. Okay, I'm good with that. So about 3 squirts for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here and stick it outside. And I've got one hell of a mess here, guys. No lies. So I'm trying to do this one hand because I have a little tripod that I'm using, but you know, it is what it is. Now the bad thing is the peanut butter will actually go to the bottom of this, and one will have a lot of peanut butter where
a lot of it doesn't. So you may have to put it down and stir it periodically. I'm gonna go ahead and pour these in. All right, so I made 24, as you see right here, and I've messed up a little bit. I did it with my left hand, so that's why it looks like crap. And that's what I got left, just a little bit left. And I'm gonna take that outside and also freeze it and just use that one big old huge fat bomb. But that's what it is, and when they get completely frozen, I will show you what they look like. All right, even though it's dark out here, I do want to show you. I'm letting it right here, and I'm gonna put this big old huge one here. And I'm probably gonna leave it at an angle, so it all gets, you know, semi done. It shouldn't take long out here because it's literally like 24 degrees, I believe now. So it shouldn't take too long. There's my mutts. Hey, what y'all doing? Smile, you're on camera. All right, that didn't take hardly any time at all. Look how cool they turned out. They look like little pumpkins, and see all the speckles of peanut butter in them. All right, let's take a test. Oh, a little stem fell off. Very rewarding. Worth the wait, guys. All right, there we have it. I can't take any more videos at work because they have a really strict camera policy. So I may insert a picture of my dinner tonight in here. If not, then it is what it is. Like I said, they have a very strict camera policy. So it's day one, guys. If you like what you see here, like and subscribe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.